everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, today it was supposed to be a beautiful celebration of their 20-year anniversary, but unfortunately death turned them apart. It's been full 4 months since Mr. Shona Ferguson passed away. Connie Ferguson shared the following heartfelt message on her Instagram page, captioned a picture of their wedding. This day 20 years ago we got married. 4 months without you, sure heartbroken. Today I'm not okay. Their daughters Lisedi and Ali also shared how much their life have changed since their father's passing. Ali's message is as follows: always thinking about you far. I love you. 4 months. And he said, I like it better when you were our angel on earth. At least I could nag you on if you've eaten yet, or find you sitting weirdly on the couch, or catch you up on everything MCU related. The more time that passes, the more I feel like I left too many things unsaid. The more I question whether I showed my love for you enough, and regret the hugs I didn't give or take. I also question if I made you proud then, and I'm making you proud now. I'm trying. I don't know if I'm succeeding. It's not just 4 months since we lost you. It's also 20-year anniversary with Ma at Connie Ferguson. I cannot imagine how bittersweet today is, and I'm honestly heartbroken just thinking about it. Please be with her today. She misses you more than words can describe. We all do. Yeah guys, it's indeed a bittersweet moment for this family. We still pray for their completely healing. Happy anniversary to Mom Connie and her late husband Mr. Shaw Ferguson. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment and let's share some love on the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye.